Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do some of the watermelon themed projects. So let's get started. This is the end result of my beautiful watermelon plate. Like you saw the process, that was one of the transparent glass plate from Dollar Tree and one of the towel which had beautiful verbiage, life is sweet, with watermelon on it. So I just loved this towel and the color combination, everything. So I thought I should make a platter. I decoupaged that towel with Mod Podge, and I let it dry. After I let it dry, then I painted white with white paint, and basically that is to bring the brightness to the plate, and it just gives more bright color so that the letters and the design will be seen clearly. And yeah, this is one of the beautiful summer DIY I'm very much in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is in collaboration with Small Creator Sunday, and this is hosted by Tiff over Broke Girl Aesthetics, and her co-hosts are Tammy over the Rusted Willow and the DIY Savvy Mommy. And the theme is Summer Loving. I'll also leave the links of their channels in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the participants. And this is another watermelon sign, and this is one of the shadow box which had beautiful shiplap background, and using one of the watermelon napkins, the bottom part of it, so I wanted to give like a watermelon and the grass effect. So I just stuck the two pieces, and those are the two slices, the wooden slices, and I painted the watermelon colors in there, pink, white and green, like you saw the process. And I drew some seeds in there, the black seeds, and I also stuck a little bit of grass on either side of the shadow box, and I stuck one flower in the corner. And this was one of the ribbon lying in my stash, so I thought it'll go along with this fruity theme, so I just stuck on top of the shadow box. Yeah, this is one of the cute DIY I'm in love with, so let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the two fruity summer loving projects that I wanted to share in this video. I am very much in love with both of these projects, so let me know your thoughts on this, and also leave any comments towards my channel. I would appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.